When I laugh, I sound like a seagull.
Hi, I'm Drake Dudwin and I do impressions for some reason. I don't know. I need to get that checked out, I think.
I don't actually know how to do any tricks on a trampoline.
I don't know, I have like an intense phobia of slugs.
Livy, you know me. What's a funny fact about me?
You're hilarious. Honestly, you're just hilarious when you're drunk. There you go. Oh no, she tripped over a doorway once and she got nicknamed Stumbledore.
Oh my god, that was so funny. Like, we'd just come out of a flat party and there were stairs and I literally rolled down the stairs. That was like the funniest night of my life. So there you go.
And my funny fact is that my full name is Shushi, which is like sushi with an extra H.
I've met Livy like 5 times and forgot her name 5 times. Nearly forgot her again then after a whole circle of people had said her name. Who are you?
I'm the lady of the insult.
Oh, you're the lady of the insult. That's the best I got. I'm sorry, I don't have any. It's too much pressure, man.
Oh no. Do you want a random funny fact about me? Okay. When I laugh, I sound like a seagull. Do you want me to? I make that sound when I laugh, but I can also do it on demand, so yeah.
I have really stretchy lips. I want to show it just because. Right. Okay. Get ready for this. That's my random fact.
I like to eat, and I like to just eat.
I get really sad.
I know, in the middle of the year
I get bad meal and I have food tantrums. Like actual tantrums.
in my life now.
So my random funny fact is that I'm probably one of the most straight-laced people that you will ever meet. I don't swear a whole lot. It would be very rare to hear me do that. And I'm usually just nice to literally everybody because I hate to be mean. And yet I did a video on Will Khan's channel, which was Cards Against YouTube, based on Cards Against Humanity. And I crushed everybody. I was the meanest, most vindictive one and I won. So everyone was completely surprised.
Click here to hold my face, subscribe.
Hit that pointless button.
Hit that button.